If you're born in the year of the sheep will super enjoy the year because if you actually cater on to your fame, kapag kailangan mo ng may mga followers ka, meron kang, you're into sales, tapos kailangan mo na may makikinig sa'yo, if you're a cloud chaser, at may sheep ka talaga, maganda-ganda ang laban mo for this year. Because there's so many favorable people that would come actually. So, if may mga pangangailangan ka, maraming tao sa paligid that you can easily tap. Now, if I am to give you an advice, maganda sana sa lahat po na may sheep sa inyo pong mga patchy, mas maganda that you make your vision very, very clearly. Pinakamaganda because you have the heavenly yi. Pag may mga gusto kang ma-achieve, tap other people, no? You use collaboration. Kasi malakas na energy yan. And parang ang hirap mag-resist ng tao sa inyo for the year.